What's up, guys? How's everybody doing this week? I'm here with Baking the Bus. As you can see, we've been able to work on her just a little bit. We're gonna walk around to this side where hopefully you'll be able to see kind of where the old AC unit was. Pulled that out. We don't need it anymore. It never really worked anyways. It's actually where we're gonna put the mini split. So here we go. I'll flip you around real quick. Yeah, as you can see, we removed yeah, that right there was actually sitting on this door, and that's what actually was cooled the bus. But since we don't really need that anymore, we're gonna go with the mini split, and it's going to go right here in this section. Gonna remove this fan, don't really need that. Not even really sure if it works. And then, here we go, we'll take you inside. This is in the first bay, and as you can see, I removed the intercoolers, so we don't really need that anymore, but I think this is going to be a perfect spot to actually do some lithium batteries. Keep it out of the way, keep them a little bit safer, actually free up a lot of space for, you know, everything else that we're going to store under here. Hopefully this is just going to be like the toy storage. Hopefully not going to have too much going in there. Still working on a bunch of wiring in this first panel. Yeah, it's been a bit of a mess since somebody's already gotten in there and done a lot. So yeah, there's the little bit of the intercoolers, some ductwork, all that stuff's been removed, and yeah, I'm actually giving it to one of my buddies. He's takes metal in, so figured it'd help him out just a little bit. Yeah, today I actually got to work on the rails. Remove those, that's what bolts the seats down. That was absolutely terrible. I went through probably 20 cutting discs before I was able to fully remove them. Had to do a lot of air chiseling. So yeah, it's kind of where we're at this week. Still got to remove some of these air ducts. That's what these yellow things are. So yeah, gonna remove those. Still got a lot of cleaning up to do. I'm gonna remove as much aluminum as possible so we don't have to worry about it. Still have to go through this wiring. That kind of houses all the 12 volt stuff, and I think a lot of the AC stuff, so most of it's going to be eliminated. So yeah, it feels pretty good to get back to baking. Yeah, as you know, I think as I explained it last week, you know, we went to Mammoth Cave and had an incredible time. It was an absolutely beautiful place. I would definitely go check that out. We did get snowed on. It dropped down to about 32 degrees. So yeah, luckily we brought a one of those 12 by 12 tents, was able to set it up over the truck, and we slept in the back and stayed nice and warm. Got to eat really well. Didn't really cramp the style, so we had a really good time, and we definitely plan on taking more trips like that, especially with the bus. We are really hoping that we can actually take my truck and be able to get a little bit deeper into places that we can't normally go. I think I explained in one of the videos, yeah, B's just gonna follow in behind me, and yeah, we kind of figured that's gonna be our best option. Yeah, especially since this is only gonna be 270 square feet. Yeah, we didn't feel like towing a vehicle was really necessary. And, you know, again, 270 square feet. I mean, that's a tight space to be on top of each other all the time. So we just kind of figured that'd be a good time for yourself. So she could listen to her podcast, you know, listen to audiobooks, spend time with her dogs. I can have mine in the bus. And we'll just be cruising. It's not like this thing can go that fast. We're not going to go that far. Just going to kind of take it easy on the road, and hopefully it'll all work out. So yeah, I guess I'll keep you guys updated. We're going to work on her hard this weekend. I think we're going to go Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Just getting her a little bit more ready for the roof raise. Scratched a few things off the list. Still got to rebuild the gearbox for the radiators in the back. Hopefully going to do that this weekend. We're going to get some paint down. Hopefully going to paint the engine bay. That way it's ready whenever it comes back. Still no update on that. I don't really have any clue when it's going to be done. Hopefully soon. It's supposed to be done, I think when we first dropped it off, I think they said about 12 weeks. So yeah, we're rolling on about 30 30 weeks now. So hopefully we'll see it soon. I really want to hear it start up. I'm kind of nervous with all the wiring that I pulled out. So hopefully I did everything right, and we'll see it running bacon soon. So like, subscribe, follow us, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.